Welcome to our channel. I'm Jason.
And I'm Alicia.
And this is episode 2 of our van build series. Alicia, what can we expect from this episode?
Drilling. A lot of drilling.
And quite a bit of cutting too.
Yeah, that's right. But when it's all over, we're going to have a beautiful MaxxFan installed into the van, and I'm super stoked about this one. Let's see how we did.
Let's check it out.
Really easy. It's way different than drilling through steel on a bus. Yeah, looking for food. We forgot to purchase our clamps, so we had to go back and get our clamps. So anyway, we have a light here and we're putting in our wooden frame. We're gonna glue it and let it sit overnight, and then we're gonna finish up this project tomorrow.
About to take the wood down, and then we're going to continue installing the fan. And when it's all said and done, you have a beautifully installed MaxxAir fan. You step one step over to your left.
This is why I can't be reading, because...
Welcome to episode 2 of our van build. No.
Distracted.
Yeah.
These cats are hungry.
Famous.